welcome back to my cooking channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. So we are making collard green today, vegetable. So see what we're using: the collard green, medium-sized onions. We're using paprika, black pepper, and we're using garlic. We're using liquid smoke, and we are using vegetable broth, and we are using some vinegar. So I will show you, put the measurement on the caption. So we'll just start by cutting them. Okay, we'll slice it a little. So this is our half cup of oil. You can use vegetable oil, groundnut oil, whatever you like to use. I'm using vegetable oil. You can also use olive oil too.
Sometimes I just cook food, but it depends on what you like. And the jam because why not to go inside? Get a fish and okra, oh yeah, see black cutter. Garnish everything with the pama. Put the onions and pepper, make Maggi no much with the dick and go inside. Yummy taste. We get it to many ways. Cooking food is not a bad thing. We dey cook, we not take classes. Full white rice in at the party. My samosa tight in no elastic. I want choppy and beans.
Okay, so our onions is cooked, then we'll be adding garlic.
You go confirm and say you don't belly food. Sometimes I just cook food, but it depends on what you like. And the jam because why not to go inside? Get a fish and okra, oh yeah, see black cutter. Garnish everything with the pama. Put the onions and pepper, make Maggi no much with the dick and go inside. Yummy taste. We get it to many ways. Cooking food is not a bad thing. We dey cook, we not take classes.
The liquid smoke come last. You just have to cover it and wait for it to cook. Okay, see, we cook until the vegetable broth dry. Now we have our vegetable ready. So this is our vegetable sauce. You can use this one as your side dish, whatever you want to eat with it, rice or potato. If you want to also use it to eat swallow, it's good too. For me, I need it as a side dish. Thank you. Bye. Thank you, everyone. We've really done for our today preparation. We actually make these 4 things same day. So this is our mac and cheese. The end, we already ate our own. That's what we have left over. See our vegan colored green. Look at it. So nice. Look at the baked cajun chicken and certain baked tilapia. God, we tried a lot today. We won't be putting 4 of them in one video. We'll be separating them and putting them in different video. Please, if you want to know, if you are watching the last part of it, you want to know how we make this for this, please check the video out. Thank you, everyone. We really appreciate it. Bye.
On the table, you go confirm and say you don't belle food.